Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music in InShot from YouTube. So, without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Google Chrome and search for YouTube. Now, long press on YouTube and click on Open in New tab. Now, locate the YouTube and make sure you have turned the desktop mode on. Once you have enabled the desktop mode, simply click on your profile icon here and go to YouTube Studio. Now here, simply click on the music icon to access the YouTube music library. Now, once you are in the audio library section, simply choose one of the songs that you want to add to your videos. Once you found the music that you want to use in your video, simply click on the download button right here. Now our music has been downloaded. Simply go back and open InShot app on your phone and choose your preferred option right here. Now select the video that you want to add the music to. For now, I'll select this video and click here to add it to your timeline. Now to add the YouTube music, simply click on the audio option and click on music option right here. Now go to my music section and now you can see this is our audio that we have downloaded from YouTube. Simply click on use. Now we have added the music in our timeline. Now if we play it, and it has been added, and just like that we can add music in InShot from YouTube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.